Well, welcome back, guys. This video is all about the GoPro and the audio quality. I've had this unit for 5 years now, and it's been a pain in the butt ever since I got it. It's never worked right. And a few of you guys have complained about the audio quality, and I really don't blame you. It's been a pain from the beginning. So I finally did the workaround. I bought an external mic for it, and I updated the firmware on it, and hopefully this video fixes all the issues. Let me know in the comments below. I'm just headed out to Ford with my sister to get some oil, some transmission fluid for a car, and I thought I'd make a quick little video on the way, just running through the gears and RPM differences. And with this engine now, with the GoPro, it seems to get reverberations through the mic, and we'll see if this issue fixes it, or this fixes it. Yeah, it's been really a hit and miss deal. You turn it on, you do a video, and then you go back to get the footage, and there's no audio, or it's corrupted. So let's hope this firmware and external mic fix it. If they don't, what I'm going to try then is an iPhone. I'm getting an iPhone 7, and we'll try that and see if that fixes the issues. Some of you guys have been asking me to take this into Ford and for a service. I'm not going to do that. I think I might have mentioned this before, but I'm just not going to do it. It's a waste of my time and their time to do that. I mean, for kicks, I guess, yeah, there's value in that, but I'm just not into doing that kind of stuff, so that'll never happen. I know it sounds pretty funny. It would be pretty funny, to be honest, but I'm just not going to do it. Not only that, it's $100. It's a service call. Well, it's a service fee of $100 or something like that for me to bring the car or the truck into Ford and say, can you service it? And I'm afraid that if I tried that off, they would wreck the bloody thing in an attempt to try to service it. So that's just not going to happen. I'm gonna set up this external camera. You know, the one, the dash cam thing. I'm gonna hook that up. Did you mention that yesterday? Marie wasn't happy. No. Yeah. I got a dash cam for this thing, guys, and my dear wife bought it for me last Christmas, a year ago, and boy, I haven't put it in yet. And my sister brought it up the other day and she wasn't happy. Anyway,
that little white car's been trying to get by you.
Did you see him sprint ahead there? Yeah, Jesus. Crazy. Someday he's going to come up against the hard bumper of a rig or something.
Yeah.
Go right underneath of it, unfortunately.
I have to more than it's been on the road, Pat. And I'm just a little disgusted.
They won't notice the difference, guys. It sounds like a power stroke. There seems to be more rigs in the yard than normal anyway.
Well, I mean, look at all that space.
Looks at you like, what, an F-150? Try putting 2,000 pounds, 3,000 pounds in the box of an F-150. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think that's legal.
I'm just wondering about the weight ratio then. What is the weight going to be less?
On the front?
Electric?
It's going to be similar.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what the useful load is on an electric 150. I have no idea. I'll never have one. I gotta drive this until I wear it out.
Yeah, it's like the Ford.
This is my only vehicle from now on in. I have no idea why they do that. You hear the harmonics?
Mm-hmm. I was hoping it would harmonize with that truck when we were going by it, the big rig.
Oh, the big rig. No, you got to be rolling down the highway for that. You got to be pulling.
Yeah.
The problem here, guys, when they hear this Detroit rev up, they think I'm trying to race them. It's really funny. Of course, I can't hold a candle to one of these modern Cummins or Power Strokes. It's just no way. I'd have to use nitrous oxide. I'll warm the Jakes up and try that. Surprised to see that they're selling vehicles.
Yeah, one of my nurse friends just bought a brand new Toyota RAV4 or 5 or whatever the RAV is. Too bad. That sucks.
No, it's not. It's not the battery going dead. It just quits.
Oh, it quits.
Yeah,
oh,
it stops. You're videoing and deep, 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 and then you don't. If you don't hear it go deep, deep, like I went out to pick up that dyno.
Yeah.
It quit. I didn't even get the footage going, and I missed out on the whole footage. Like the whole. It was basically the subject of the video, and I didn't get any of it. Basically. so we'll take your car out tomorrow and do that.
Oh, maybe we can cut that pipe down too. I just want it so it'll fit in my little bin underneath. Because it rattles around my car and it drives me nuts.
So let me know, guys, in the comments below if you liked it, if the quality's any better. And again, thanks a lot for watching, subscribing, and commenting. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.